Guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making horchata. I've been dying to make this wonderful drink with you. For those of you who have never heard of it before, it's a Mexican drink, and it's a Mexican drink that is made with milk and rice. Is a wonderful combination. I know it sounds crazy, and it's sweet, and it has some lovely spices. I have had it in different restaurants, and then you know what? I was like, I'm gonna make it myself. And when I did, I customized the recipe to my taste buds, and you're gonna love it. So it might not be 100% authentic, but it just has the right ingredients to make it an awesome drink. So it's really simple, and you're gonna love it, your family's gonna love it, and if you bring this to a party, your guest is gonna love it. And make sure you make a lot, because I'm telling you right now, it's amazing, and it's gonna go by really fast. So here are the ingredients. They're really quite simple and sweet, and I can't wait for you to give it a try. Let's begin. Alright, my friends, let's begin. Now, there are several steps to this, and the first step is I have here 1 cup of long grain rice with 3 cinnamon sticks. I'm just going to place it in my bowl, and I have over here 4 cups of boiling water that I have put to boil by itself, and I want everything to seep in and become one with the water. Now, everybody makes a difference. This is my favorite way of doing it, and it comes out magnificent. Now, I'm gonna allow this to seep for 1 hour. The rice might not be totally soft, which that is not really the case. I just want the rice to soften up just a little bit, and as well as become flavorful with the cinnamon sticks. So let it seep, let it do its thing, let it cool down, and I'll be right back to show you what to do next. Alright guys, so it's been 1 hour, and my water has cooled off slightly. It's kind of warm, and right now I'm just gonna give it a stir, and I am ready to put this in my blender. Alright, so I'm going to put this in my blender, and like I mentioned to you before, everybody does it differently. Some people soak their rice overnight, others grind up their rice. Ooh, am I making a mess? I am making a mess. Some people grind their rice beforehand. I mean, to each his own. It's no wrong way to do it. I'm also going to put in the cinnamon sticks as well in the blender, and we are going to blend everything up. Alright, so at this point, when you put in your liquid in here, make sure that it had cooled down. You don't want to have no kind of complications or anything dangerous with blending hot liquid. Sometimes it creates a steam and a pressure, and you don't want your blender to blow up or any kind of injuries. So please make sure that your liquid is warm. It can definitely be warm, and that's fine. That is safe. So right now I'm just going to blend this for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to show you what. Alright, my friends, it's been 3 minutes, and now it's time to strain this, and our drink is almost done. Alright guys, now let's begin. What you're going to need next is a large bowl and a fine mesh, just to catch the rice grains and the cinnamon sticks. And then that's it, my friends. Simple as that. Alright, my friends, there was hardly any pulp in here, and that's because we had allowed our rice to seep a little bit, and that softens it up just slightly. But now we are almost ready to go. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do next is I have an extra 4 cups of just plain water. And we're going to dilute it a little bit. Some people like their horchata thick and creamy. I like it in between. And then I'm going to put 1 cup of carnation milk. And that's what's going to give it the creamiest. Now, I also have vanilla extract that I actually bought from Mexico on my last trip. And if any of you know, or my newcomers, I do post a lot of great pictures and mini clips in my Instagram. Please check me out and follow me in there. And now I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon, or according to your taste. So you can definitely adjust it. This part is easy. It's all about what's comfortable for you, the flavors, the sweetness. If you don't want your horchata to have a strong cinnamon taste, don't blend it in, or cut back on the cinnamon sticks, whatever you like. And then I'm going to put 1 cup, or to taste, regular white sugar, and then that's it. Simple and easy. It smells so good. I can smell the cinnamon. I can smell the vanilla. If you want, you can put nutmeg. I mean, right now it's so easy to customize this to your likings. Okay guys, so I just had a cup in the freezer with some ice in it, and I'm gonna pour me some nice, here it goes. I have a nice cold cup of ice ready to chug this down. Now let's do a taste test. Alright my friends, I am ready to drink up this bad boy right here. Now I don't know if you can see through your side of the world. My horchata is not white. It's because of the color of the vanilla extract that I use, you know, being it's dark, and the cinnamon sticks that we have ground up. So you know, if you don't ground up the cinnamon sticks, your drink wouldn't be like I would say like a beige tint. But doesn't make a difference. It's still gonna taste marvelous, and I can't wait to drink nice and cold and refreshing. Oh yeah, definitely refreshing. It's not so sweet because, like I said, you can control the sugar content. If you want it sweet, add more. And if you don't want it too sweet, don't add too much. The spices come out. You can taste a little bit of the vanilla and the ground up cinnamon. It didn't come out too strong, but it is just the right note of cinnamon taste in it. So refreshing. In a cup of ice. In this hot weather, because New York City has been scorching hot lately, this, my friends, will be the solution to your problems. It is so delicious. You really do need to give this a try. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. It's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me. Follow me on my social media sites, my friends. I have Facebook, I have Twitter, I have Instagram. Follow me through there. I'm going to leave you the ingredients to this awesome drink right in the description box below. If you have anything that you want me to make, any other Mexican recipes, whether it be soups or tacos or what have you, let me know. Leave me a comment below. And if for all my newcomers, don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe so you can always be notified and join along in the family. Until next time, my friends, I will see you again. Take care. Bye-bye. And have a blessed day.